Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, I am 38 weeks pregnant and I am getting really excited for pretty much the biggest change of my entire life. I am so incredibly thankful for this community who's been so supportive along the way. I have gotten a ton of help from a lot of you, so I can't thank you enough. Make sure to subscribe to my channel once the baby comes. I'm sure I'm going to be bringing a lot more mom content your way, but for now I'm all about plus size fashion, lifestyle, beauty, and all that fun stuff. Today I am bringing you a video that I have been dying to make and dying to share with you guys. What is in my hospital bag? Let's do this. Before I get started, I just want to say that this YouTube video is sponsored by Boppy. If you are an expecting mom, you are going to want to know all about the Boppy. And it is absolutely something you're gonna need in your hospital bag. We're also giving one away. Make sure you stick around till the end of the video and I'm gonna talk all about it. All right, so let's do this. Here's my bag. Oh, I really shouldn't be picking that up, but here it is in all its glory. I also just wanna say this. I am a bit of an overpacker and I'm also a first-time mom. Bear with me as I go through this video and all of the things I packed. I feel like I should do an updated video once the baby's here, mentioning all the things that I actually used in the hospital. But for now, this is everything I have in my hospital bag, and I think it's time to open it up. Okay, so let's start with the fun stuff. I was told that the hospital gives you a ton of things, including pads and diapers and so much more. But I'm sometimes picky and I like to be over prepared with things that I know I like. So I definitely packed some things that I'm sure the hospital will give me. One of those things is these diapers for myself. I grabbed them in an extra large and a large because I feel like I'm right between the two. So I wanted the two different sizes. I only packed about 4, as you can see. I'm sure the hospital will give me plenty of things, but I just wanted to have these just in case whatever the hospital has doesn't work for me. Next, I got these cold pads. They're like an instant iced maxi pad that you can use for down there. Again, I didn't pack all of them. I only packed 4 as well. I still have a ton here at home just in case the hospital doesn't have anything and I feel like I'm gonna want them. Let's move on to the clothing that I packed. So first things first, I did pack a robe. I felt like bringing it would bring me a little sense of comfort. I'm sure I'm going to end up in the hospital gown like the entire time, but I just felt like having a little sense of home is really important, and that's kind of the theme of a lot of the things I'm bringing. I have this pajama set that includes a pair of pants, a nursing friendly tank top, and a little cover cardigan thing that I can wear. I packed a nursing friendly sleep shirt that is buttery soft. I have my going home outfit. It's just a pair of joggers that are fold over so they can fold over my belly if that's comfortable, or fold under my belly depending on how I'm recovering. I really like all of the fold over bottoms. I'm also bringing fold over leggings because it gives you that option on comfort. That includes, again, the fold over leggings, a nursing friendly tank top, and a nursing cardigan. I'm bringing slippers, very important. These postpartum underwear that have like a built-in pad to them. Nursing bra, it has little peekaboos for the goods. And I'm bringing no slip socks. They have little grips on the bottom. Okay, that's it for clothing. So let's move on to toiletries. First, I have dry shampoo, my face wash and moisturizing cream for my face, body lotion. One thing I keep hearing constantly is how incredibly dry you get while you're in the hospital. I have regular body cream, my cocoa butter that I use all the time. And then I'm also bringing my Weleda skin food, which is like extreme moisture, travel toothbrush, travel toothpaste, contact case, glasses, natural deodorant, a mini brush, a nursing balm, a soothing spray I also have another little bag that I'm bringing. I've been told constantly that I'm going to want a little makeup just in case. I really don't know if I'm going to, but again, there's no harm in packing too much right now. My mascara and my eyelash curler, a little tinted face oil, a little cover up, and a little cheek. So 5-step beauty. We will see. In this bag, I also have my lip mask, which is, again, for how dry supposedly everything is going to be, including my lips. I'm bringing some eye drops too, because when I get dry, my eyes get dry. I have a bunch of little like hair ties and little clips. I'm bringing these medicated cooling pads. They are witch hazel pads, water bottle. I also have this Perry bottle. Woo! So I know I mentioned I'm bringing a lot of things that are going to help me feel like I'm at home and comfortable. So I am bringing one of my pillows, my favorite pillow. I'm bringing one of my own towels. I like extra large towels. I'm bringing a portable charger. I have a charger with an extra long cord. Our tablet, I can watch Hulu, Netflix, and Disney Plus on this thing. So if there's any downtime, I will be using this. A sleeping mask and some ear pods. Daniel has his own bag packed. It's just basically a change of clothes, a charger for himself, and a speaker because he made an awesome labor playlist that I will probably share with you guys that we are going to be listening to when I am doing the fun stuff. I'm bringing an empty bag for all the things that hopefully the hospital will let me leave with, like diapers and whatever else. Next up is the baby stuff. So I made sure to pack his coming home outfit, which is this really cute little floral number with a little hat. His baby blanket that will keep him wrapped up and warm on the way home. And of course, last but not least, I'm bringing the boppy. Basically, it starts off as your nursing pillow, like this, and the baby will lay right on this pillow and he'll be in the perfect position to nurse. And as baby gets older, it has a little direction guide on the pillow. At 3 months, you can have him laying in here, so it's kind of like a little nest. And then at 6 months, you can use it for tummy time, and at 9 months, you can use it as a seat. So it's gonna grow with you for the first year. It also comes off, so you can zip it off to wash it. I have about 4 different covers. So there you have it. That is the boppy. And guess what? We are giving away a boppy. So make sure you read the caption below to see how you enter to win. It's a great gift for yourself and a great gift for any expecting moms that you might know. I'm sure if you made it this far in this video, that means you are probably an expecting mom as well, and you are packing up your hospital bag. So I just want to send you all the best of luck and remind you that we got this. Bye, guys. Oh my God, this is crazy. That's not working. Come on, son, work with me. All right, let's